What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? How everybody doing out there? I guess you guys are having a wonderful trading week, and I guess you're doing all that we have to do just to stay 1% better. This is your boy Harlem, and I'm back with another video. Today's video gonna be a review breakdown slash update on the WTI oil. Everything that we shared from the past 3 months, just like 6 months from the 3 months that I shared this video, we back again with another one. Today I want to update you guys from what happened, from what we spoke about, what price did, and from what we anticipated. Did price favor it or did price go against it, and what we might be looking for continuing from now. Right, before I continue, make sure you like, subscribe, share, turn on notifications so you can get notified every time I upload new videos and new content concerning Forex and entrepreneurship. Without further ado, let's just hop in and continue to trust the process. So looking at our monthly time frame, you guys remember the price was still trading on March, this candlestick, and we did say that we're only looking for two things: to be bullish above all the zones and to be bearish below. So price rejected once. So when price rejected here and moved to the upside and came back and closed above here, what we anticipated is that obviously with price reacting on our previous support, and coming back again to spike our support and closing above this very same support, would look for continuation to the upside, right? Only to see that price did do what, continue to the upside, but couldn't sustain or couldn't trade above previous previous zones, and did what, and moved to the downside. So we did speak about two things: that is price really looking to continue bullish, or is price looking to spike the zone and come back to this very same support and create the 2023 support from the previous support that we had, create a new support to anticipate a continuation to the upside. And with that being said, price did continue to the upside, but unfortunately freight breaking above and moved to the downside. So from what we spoke about, that if price falls breaking above this major support, then we still look for further continuation to the upside, right? So that was it, and that was enough. Nothing much was said, nothing much was being looked for. We just looked for what we looked for, and we found it, fortunately. So now looking for the coming months, or looking for what might be happening for the coming weeks and months and days. Price reacted off our support with a break below and a close above, right? In some terms, it's a breakout and a break back in, right? With that being said, we looked forward for a retest above to continue to the upside, and price did have a bullish candle close. Looking at this current market price candle, looking at this current price monthly candle, which is gonna close in about 19 days, or 20 days, right? All I'm looking for now is that we did now react off of our support again, and we are looking for this bullish momentum, or would I say bullish direction. All I'm looking for now is to continue bullish once price feels breaking above below my support, because remember that we had this all time remember that we had this major support and we had this current price support. Right now that we broke out and we broke back in, all I'm looking for is to just simply continue bullish long as price trades above this support zone, or this zone on oil. If price trades below, then I guess I have to be bearish, right? So looking at the weekly, looking at our weekly candle, so on the weekly, I just won't say much, but I just want to show you guys what happened and what might happen, right? So now on the weekly, price did do it. Okay, let me remove this one before I continue. On the weekly, when we spoke about this, we did say that price was still trading somewhere right there, right? And I did say that with price reacting off of this major support, with price reacting off our major support, all we're looking for is to just continue above long as price holds this other support. And you can clearly see that price did continue moving above, right? But unfortunately, I repeat, we had price failing to break above this highs, so continue bullish, and price did what? And price reversed, moving to the downside. With price now moving to the downside, coming back again to our support, to spike out our support with a bear breakout and a close above of our support, you can clearly see that all price did was to just take those lows out, right? But now price still continued coming back to our support. So tap on our support and react, to tap and react, to tap and react until price found momentum, right? Until price found momentum, which was last week. And I did share that this week all we're looking for is to just simply continue bullish long as price is holding this support zone. And fortunately, you can clearly see that this week price is respecting what we anticipated. Thank God and thank the forex markets. So all I'm looking for now for the coming weeks, it's that long as price is holding the support from the weekly and the monthly, then I'll still look to be bullish. But only if it holds it. But if it breaks below, then I guess I'd have to be bearish, right? And another thing is, if price feels breaking above the zone, then I would look to be bearish. But if price breaks above, then I still hold my anticipation of price breaking of support, breaking above a zone, breaking another zone, anticipation of price looking to continue moving to the upside based on those anticipations. Do you get me, guys? Looking at the daily candle, looking at the daily chart before we end this session. Never mind the messy charts, guys. You can go ask my community when I break down some things, how my chart stays messy as fuck. But now, never mind that. Let's remember that, okay, from the daily, price was still trading somewhere right there. We had this momentum candle stick, right? And we did say that if price is bullish, then you continue bullish. Price had a what? Price had a gap. Price opened up a gap based on fundamentals, right? This was fundamentally based, right? There was nothing that we guys were gonna do, or there was nothing that anyone, long as you're a forex trader, there was nothing that you were gonna do. This was fundamentally based, right? I don't know what happened. I don't even care because I only budge about price action. So now when you now see that, okay, price had a gap, price gapped up to the upside, but unfortunately couldn't break above, couldn't continue above this zone, right? And price did what? Moved to the downside. So all I looked for, me and my community, because I still remember price filling up this gap, we did say that long as we're still holding this zone, then let's look to be bearish, let's look to be bullish, until unfortunately price did what? Had a close below off of that very same zone. And I said what? Okay, because now price had a bear candle close below, let's look for this retest above off of our zone to look to continue moving to the downside. Unfortunately, price did respect that, and price gave us what we looked for. Now with price having a breakout and a break back in with a pin bar candle close above our support and a bullish candle close, confirming to us that from this breakout and break back in, or from the rejection that we had and the bullish candle momentum candle close that we had, price is really looking to continue bullish. But unfortunately, price did what? Price came back to tap on our support, or to respect our support, to show us that we are respecting the support zone that we are having. The only thing that we can manage to do is to just look for what? For a bullish direction, and price gave us that. So now from the monthly before I end, all I'm looking for, guys, is to continue above long as price is above the zone, above long as price is above. Long as price is above this zone, I'll still continue bullish. Long as price is above another zone, then I'll still continue bullish, because this is based on support and resistance, or this is based on zones, right, guys? So, guys, you guys can see it. You guys clearly see it for yourselves. There was nothing much that we looked for. We're simply looking to continue bullish above zones, bearish below zones, and price respected everything that we looked for. So, before I end this video, guys, remember that if we're above a zone, we bullish. If we below that zone, we bearish. And that's just how oil is moving for the past 2 years, since 2021, 2022, and 2023 this year. Right, guys? Before I end, make sure you like, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so you can get notified every time I upload. And make sure that you use the links on my description to sign up with the brokers that I use, or to get a hold of me concerning my trading course or whatever concerns forex. Use the number that I'm gonna leave on the link, or use the number that I'm gonna leave on my description or on my bio. That's all I got on this video. I'm out.